Back and happy President's Day, everyone. It looks like we've got a President's Day snowstorm on the way, and the National Weather Service new this morning issuing winter weather advisories for the entire NBC 25 viewing area, basically the entire lower peninsula as you're heading out and about for this afternoon into tonight and lasting into tomorrow morning. And what this means is we could see widespread snow accumulating on the order of 4 to 6 inches here across, say from the Saginaw Bay south. Once you get into our northern lower counties, snow totals will taper off, but still a healthy snow at about 3 to 5 inches of snowfall. And if you're with us earlier, I actually adjusted that up just a little bit with some new data that came in this morning. So from 2 to 4 to 3 to 5 now up north, still looking at 4 to 6. And as with any snowstorm, there could be some totals in here a little heavier depending on exactly how some bands set up. So I would not be surprised by tomorrow morning to see a few of you reporting to us that you have about 7 or 7.5 inches of snow. Not out of the question, but the average overall will likely be 4 to 6 here for most of us. So let's time it out for you with FUTURECAST. Outside right now, no problems. We're seeing clear skies that are gradually going to cloud up from 7 to 11 this morning, and your temperatures are frigid with everybody below zero, especially in the thumb where we're as low as 17 below zero. But as we go from 11 to 3, we'll see temperatures shooting up into the teens. By 3 o'clock, I think we'll start to see temperatures into the low to mid 20s. And there's the leading edge of the snow, still to the west of our area, but starting to move in from southwest lower Michigan to the east. So from 3 to 7, that's when your snow is going to arrive from west to east, and where you see this darker blue showing up from about 7 o'clock on from 75 west, that's the heavy snow, and that will be accumulating potential from about a ½ inch to an inch per hour, and that will last from about 7 p.m. till about 11 to midnight. Even 1 o'clock, I still think we'll see some of those darker blues indicating the heavier threat for snow into the overnight hours. So from 7 to 1, I think that's when we'll pick up most of our accumulation. And that's when we could pick up anywhere from 3 to 4 inches of snow alone, maybe even a few isolated higher amounts. So by 3 o'clock tomorrow morning, that's when I'll be heading back into work. We'll still be tracking some scattered snow showers out there. Some heaviest I think by that point will be here into the thumb, but the back edge of the snow will start to move from west to east as we go from about 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. And I think by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, most of us will be just left over with some light snow showers and some flurries. And by that point, again, would not be surprised to see a ½ foot of snow on the ground and maybe even a few isolated reports a little bit higher than that. Then behind this system, which there it is right now, all sliding east into the Great Lakes over the next 24 hours, behind it, we start talking about that warm-up that I promised you was going to be arriving last week, this week, and it will as early as tomorrow, because look at temperatures out west, upper 20s, low 30s up in Bismarck. Bismarck just now dropping below freezing. Last half hour they were at 33 degrees. That's the kind of warmth that spreads east. So as we go from today's 20s, about 23 degrees this afternoon. Again, the snow will develop after 3 p.m. Tomorrow, we're going up to about 35, and it gets even warmer from there. So 18 for your overnight lows tonight. Again, the storm totals will be on the order of 4 to 6 with a few amounts higher than that here and there. 35, that starts your warm-up coming up for tomorrow afternoon. And as we go from tomorrow into Wednesday and Thursday, check it out. Your 7-day forecast shows upper 30s for Wednesday, nearing 40 by that point with some sunshine. So a lot of melting going on from Tuesday into Wednesday, and especially Thursday. But at Thursday, we're still seeing the 40s, but we do have some rain that'll be moving in as well, and that could give us some fog issues, as well as the potential for a little bit of isolated flooding out there from the melting snow and the fresh rainwater that's falling on top of that. And then it does appear we cool off again heading into the weekend.